This is a sweet potato and red lentil soup made using the Ninja Soup Maker. So the ingredients you need are some red lentils, sweet potato, onions, garlic, some vegetable stock, whichever your favourite one is, and optionally you can add some curry powder too, and I've used some ginger. So add the chopped onions directly into the soup maker. These ones were already pre-chopped. You can of course get the Ninja Soup Maker to chop them up for you. Then also you can add in the garlic cloves as well. Then the sweet potatoes, just chop them up. There's no need to peel them. The exact measurements are in the description down below. Then add the red lentils. So there's no need to pre-soak them. You just need to give them a good rinse under some cold water. Then optionally, you can add some curry powder. Then the vegetable stock. So I've used 2 teaspoons of this vegetable stock. Then you add hot water, or you could use cold water. I just prefer to use hot water, up to the maximum line on the side of the Ninja Soup Maker jug. I would at this stage give everything a little bit of a stir just to make sure it's all mixed in, and it gives the hot water a chance just to soak down a little bit. Then pop the lid back on the soup maker and switch it on and set the soup maker off on the smooth function. Could use the chunky setting if you prefer. Then take the lid off and just check the consistency, because when you're using lentils it can make it really thick. So for me this one was a little bit too thick, so I've just added in some extra hot water and put the lid back on and given it a really quick blend, just so that's the consistency that I prefer. And I know everybody likes their soup at different consistencies, so add more or don't, whichever you prefer. Hope you've enjoyed this soup maker recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.